देख चेक कर।
हेलो। हेलो। हेलो।
यूट्यूब पे आ रहा है।
हेलो।
उधर से आवाज आ रहा है तेरे को, यूट्यूब पे आ रहा है पक्का।
हेलो। हेलो।
स्पीकर का तो नहीं आ रहा है ना।
हेलो 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 चेक हेलो
हेलो हेलो हेलो हेलो हेलो हेलो हेलो
एक बार दूर जाके बोलो ना, एक बार जाके तो बोलो। विपुल भाई को दो ना, एक बार इनको दो ना सचिन। हाँ।
हेलो 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 सुनो। हेलो 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 1 2 3 हेलो
इसको रफा
हेलो
इसको रफा
चेक चेक
चलेगा। आराम से, बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग है, बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग है।
हो रहा है ना, आ रहा है ना आवाज, बस हो गया।
हो जाएगा ना भाई, उसमें सेल नहीं है बट खत्म हो जाएगा जल्दी।
तेरे पास
तो 2 सेल एक्स्ट्रा देके जा तो डालने तो आता ही है ना।
वो कर दे,
हाँ,
बता देना कैसे डालने का, हम डलवा देंगे।
मैं तो चाहिए। हाँ, तो ये ख़त्म होने दो, क्योंकि अभी नया डालूंगा ना तो पूरा ख़त्म कर देंगे ये तो कंटिन्यू चालू ही रखेंगे। तो मैं 2 नया वाला देके जाता हूँ, उसमें दिखा देता हूँ कैसे डालना है। अब फिर वैसे सिर्फ खोल के डाल देना, तो आपका भी काम हो गया ना।
एक ही माइक दे दो ना,
एक ही दे रहा हूँ मैं, ये देखो 2 ही बचा है सेल, खत्म हो
दूसरे
गया तो
माइक
कहानी
में डाल के
खत्म।
रख, ये बंद हो जाएगा और दूसरा माइक दे दूंगा, ऐसा
हाँ,
कर।
चलेगा जैसा आपको ठीक है।
चेक 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 ऑडियो चेक
अगर वॉल्यूम
चेक 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 ऑडियो चेक। काफ़ी अच्छी मैच हो रही है। नहीं नहीं, यहाँ पे म्यूट म्यूट पे किया है मैंने, सीधा यूट्यूब पे आवाज़ के लिए।
Strikers and Warriors. 38 for 3, 4.5 overs. Very important delivery. Strikers need to touch 55 plus. It's a no ball. I don't know why he's ducking. It was a no ball. Swapnil could have tried to hit a 6. There was no point ducking. It's a free hit. They should continue running. Once again, Swapnil is going back. I think there was a miscommunication. Presence of mind is an important thing in these tight situations. नहीं है वो, सिर्फ YouTube के लिए। नहीं, I'm not joking. Yuvraj, I'm not joking. Please, if you could just go log in and check. You have been witnessed. Yuvraj, I can tell all those things which people don't know about you. Suddenly Yuvraj started Marathi. Okay, so we have Akram. It's a very close call. The umpire are consulting. Guys, it's a very close call between an out and a 4. It's a very, in spite of, I don't want to be biased, but from here it looked a 4. But let's the umpire decides. Akram, last over. What's the decision? It's an out. It's a close call. Umpire takes the call. Brilliant bowling. Okay, so Vikas has taken a review. Great call. That was an umpire's review. Now it's a batsman review. Now it's a proper review, which has been taken by the. Previously, it was a discussion between the umpires. I think, in spite of telling Yuvraj that he needs to talk slowly, he is still behaving like a person. He is not heard. I am repeating it. In spite of telling Yuvraj to talk softly, he doesn't listen. The waiting game is on. The DRS is on. A crucial. Only on YouTube. The commentary is only on YouTube. The players are asking, clarifying. I'm looking like a joker. The important decision right now pending between a 4 and a wicket of Shlok, right? Yeah, important player who can turn around the match. It's a critical decision. Yes. The DRS is unsuccessful. A great call by the umpires. The umpires have been brilliant throughout the tournament. Akram. We see a different energy in Warriors after Shampi has come in. Shampi's energy is contagious. We all know that. Good drive, good fielding for a single. Akram is bowling a very tight line as expected. Oh, mind games. Mind games between the batsman and the bowler. What a ball by Akram. What a ball. A genius. Deceiving Vikas. Making him feel like it's a leg spinner and then the ball comes in like an off. Brilliant bowling by Akram. Once again, there are 200 people asking the same question, and Yuvraj will answer. Yuvraj will answer the question. Jitu is asking. Ritu is asking a question. Please answer him. It's only for the YouTube. Oh, a misfield. It could have been a run out. Every run saved is a run earned. Great shot. However, Gaurav, cool and calm. A brilliant over by Akram. Last ball, he needs to close it out. And a brilliant over by Akram, a seasoned player. 42, if I'm not wrong. What is the score? 42, 43 to win. Looking at the form of Warriors, it should be a cakewalk. An innings change. Yuvraj is trying to be self-obsessed. He's watching his own batting again.
So there was a trial to score a lot more. However, I think they have to try to defend 42 runs. This team will never give up till the end. Let's see how strikers try to defend this score. From Warriors' point of view, Gaurav and Rahil are the two batsmen, left and right hand combination. Let's see who is the first bowler. Looks like Danish Bhai. Waiting for the game to start. We are running a little way beyond schedule. Yes, indeed, it is Danish Bhai who is going to bowl the first over. And Gaurav is going to stick the strike. A good strike for one run. It was a low full toss. Now we have Rahil on strike. Rahil, being a young player, still has a lot of poise and class about his batting. Oh, that was close. Very good wicket keeping by Rishabh. It's 2 balls and 2 runs. A decent start. That's a no ball. Full toss above waist. It's a free hit for Rahil. Hope he capitalizes on this free hit. It's just a run. He tried to hit for 6. However, the ball touched. It's a brilliant catch by Shlok. Amazing flying catch. It's a great wall of strikers at the boundary. Impossible to hit sixes unless it is way beyond their heads. Amazing catch. Running and jumping in the air. They are going to defend this Modest score like anything. The new batsman is Shahnawaz. He has tapped the ball for a single. At the end of first over, the score is 7 runs. Good ball, good last ball. It's 7 runs with the fall of 1 wicket at the end of first over. They need 36 more runs to win from 5 overs. The second over would be bowled by Swapnil. He's a good bowler. He can keep tight lines and length. First ball is a wide ball. Good shot, but straight to Danish. Good fielding. Another good drive for a single by Rahil. He is playing slow and steady, taking singles on each and every ball that he faces. We have Shahbaz. Another drive down the ground for a single. Both of these batsmen are capable of long shots. Oh. Walk right across his stumps for a single. Swapnil bowling very tight lines, not giving any loose balls. It's 1.4 overs and 11 runs in the bank for the fall of 1 wicket. Another drive down the ground. Kushal has really improved his fielding, doing really well, not letting any ball go, restricting all the shots to one single. Good ball and well played. No run. At the end of 2 overs, they are 12 runs for the fall of 1 wicket. "31 more runs to win in 4 overs. Third over to be bowled by Abhi. First ball, Shahbaz tried to hit a big shot, however he missed. A loopy ball by Abhi, driven down only for a single. They need to get a move on now, build some momentum. Only singles is not going to win them the game. Good bowling by Abhi. He's mixing up his deliveries. That's a wide. That's another wide. Another wide. They need to control extras. These are all free runs. Oh, a brilliant ball. Completely bamboozled Rahil. He just didn't understand which delivery was it. Another very good catch by Shlok. Very nicely judged and taken. This is what happens when pressure builds up. The score is not moving as per their liking. No fours, no sixes since quite some time. Akram comes and hits the first ball for a six. He ran down the pitch and converted the ball into a full toss, and that what made this six possible. At the end of 3 overs, they are 22 runs for the fall of 2 wickets. Oh, that was a good attempt by Abhi. Just missed, but a great attempt by Abhi to catch the ball. Shawaz gets a single and gets Akram back on strike. He already hit the first ball for 6, second ball dot. Good bowling by Shlok. It felt like the ball bounced from the feet of the fielder. However, the ball had bounced before the ball deflected from fielder's leg. What a catch, what a catch. That's a great catch by Shlok. That's the third catch of this innings from him. He didn't get chance to contribute too much with the bat. However, with the ball and field, he is contributing a lot. Extremely valuable contributions from Shlok. Oh, it was a low full toss. Good shot by Shampy. However, it went straight to the fielder and he missed the catch. It's Akram back on strike. Oh, that was a good ball. Tapped the ball for a single. It's 26 runs for the fall of 3 wickets at the end of 4th over. $17 more runs to win from 2 overs. It's Ismail who is bowling. That was a great shot, but a very good fielding by Priyansh. As I had mentioned in the beginning, this team is not going to give up. They will fight till the end. It's not going to be an easy win. Right now the game is in balance. It can swing either way. Oh, low full toss, and this time Shampy hits the ball for a 4. 12 more runs to win from 10 balls. This over can make or break this match. It's a wide ball. A single. Now they require 10 runs to win from 9 balls. That's a no ball and also a free hit. In such close games, this is criminal. This is a big mistake, and it's Akram who is on strike and a free hit. And it's a wide. The free hit continues. The match can get over in this over itself. Another wide. Just 6 more runs to win. It was great thinking by Vikas. It was a free hit. This is called the presence of match. He caught the ball, but he immediately tried to run out the batsman. Rishabh has broke the stumps. Let's see whether Akram is out or not. The umpires are checking. This could be a crucial decision. What do you say, Amit bhai? Is he out?
I think he is out. Maybe his bat was in the air.
It seems Amit bhai is saying that he is out. I have to go for the next match, so I need to warm up. I'm handing over the mic to Amit.
Tejas.
Umpires waiting for the review. Touch and go situation for the run out. This could be a very important factor in the match, because Akram is a very important player for the Warriors, and his run out could take the match anywhere. Umpires are coming back on the street, and that's out. So Akram is gone, and a big breakthrough for the strikers. And Ojas comes in to bat. He's a really good batsman, left-handed batsman. And that's out again. Ojas is gone. First ball. The ball was in the salt, but he couldn't get hold of the shot and hit it straight in the hands of Priyansh. This match is again going to the wire. चालू है रन 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 नहीं दिख रहे पता नहीं चल रहा है कितना है मैं कमेंट्री तो कर रहा हूँ Gaurav on strike and he taps it on the leg side for a single, and they are running for the second run, fumbles the ball, and 2 runs taken. Very smart thinking from Shampi. Beautiful running from Shampi. Presence of mind in such situation can make the win you a lot of matches. Now the match is posed. 6 balls, 7 runs needed. 6 ball, 5 runs needed. They're really fighting hard, the strikers, and he smashes the ball on the leg side, and he's hit. माँ कसम जान चली जाए. आ ही गया है भाई. Gaurav on strike, pushes the ball on the leg side and he's out. Run out really going to hurt everyone. 4 balls, 4 runs. Close matches happening. Can Champy hit a ball for a 6? Champy on strike, Vishal to bowl, Vikas to bowl. And he hits it straight. It hits the umpire and that's out.
Not out.
अरे उसका बैट हाथ से उड़ गया था. Again a close call. The ball did the ball umpire को लगा ball
दो
player.
लेटेस्ट पॉइंट टेबल
Really important that they cut the singles. The match is really close now. 3 balls, 3 runs required. 3 में 3.
वॉरियर्स भी अच्छा कर रहे हैं. वॉरियर्स जीते तो 4-2, हारे तो 3-3. अपन सेकंड पे लेकिन अगर ये वॉरियर जीते 4-2 क्या आ जाएगा
हाँ.
सेकंड. फिर अपने को जीतना अगला और जीतना.
Now the match is really getting close. Every ball, a drop chance, a catch could have got really special. Vikas bowls the ball and just stops his action. Champy on strike. And Vikas is bowling. Vikas bowls. And no ball and they win the match. Warriors have won it. Warriors have won it. Champy did it again. Brilliant way to win the match. Superb batting. The next match, Mavericks versus the जाओ मेरे शेर, जीत के आना.
फाइनेंसर है मेरा सर ये. आधी बॉल फिक्स यही करेगा. अब उसके लिए नहीं, ये फिक्स करने के लिए. तो भाई हमारे टीम में हो, याद रखो.
क्रिकेट रैप, क्रिकेट बहाने दोस्त बनाने.
I sell box connect you know. Yo फुटबॉल आप उठा के बरुमा, बच्चे बड़े सबका जज्बा जमा, ले लीजिए देंगी चौकों के मारा. ICL में क्रिकेट का त्योहार. सोसाइटी के ग्राउंड पे सब आओ यार, आज खेलेंगे क्रिकेट, होगा धमाल पार. चाहे बैटिंग करो या बॉलिंग संभालो, मौका मिले तो स्टंप्स भी उखाड़ो. कैडेट्स लेडीज किड्स भी साथ इसी